The MediaTek Dimensity 8300 is finally here, a power-efficient chipset designed for premium 5G smartphone. Besides bring improvement in the CPU and GPU and also brings generative AI to a very popular mid-range segment that will be powering a lot of devices in the future. This seems like an excellent chipset for anyone not too keen on spending money on the flagship Dimensity 9300. And here's everything you need to know about the MediaTek Dimensity. So in this video, we will deep dive into the new MediaTek Dimensity 8300, the insight and everything we should know. And before we continue, remember to subscribe to this channel, like and comment to help the algorithm for this video. Thank you. The MediaTek Dimensity 8300 is built on a second generation 4nm process. The CPU offers a Cortex A715 core clock at 3.35 GHz and 4 Cortex A510 cores at 2.2 GHz. MediaTek has mentioned how the new chipset brings a 20% performance boost over its predecessor and better efficiency by 30%. The Dimensity 8300 boasts a pretty impressive year-on-year performance boost compared to the Dimensity 8200 that includes the introduction of the new ARM v9 CPU architecture that the company claims delivers a 20% boost to the CPU performance, while the GPU sees rather incredible gains of 60%. And the CPU is compared with Dimensity 8200, Dimensity 9000, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2. The result that you might see surprise you. MediaTek Dimensity 8300 is quite impressive when it comes to performance in the mid-range chipset. As you can see in the share image, the CPU performance of 8300 outperforms the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 flagship SoC from 2022. So this becomes a new standard that middle-range SoC can compete with flagship SoC from 2 years ago. In the second image, you can see that the chipset has better GPU than both the Dimensity 9000 and the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. This shows great progress when compared to the past chips, and we can expect to see it getting better as we go forward. Combined, MediaTek claims that tasks like code loading an app, opening app for the first time, is 70% faster when launching an app from standby is now 47% faster. That doesn't mean it's any less power efficient either. In fact, MediaTek claims that there is a 30% improvement in the CPU efficiency, while the GPU is 55% more efficient, even at peak performance. That should hopefully translate to solid battery life even when gaming or running other hardware-intensive tasks, but also depend on the factors like screen tech and battery capacity. Still, it's a great step forward for the premium chipset. The headline features as this is support for on-device generative AI capabilities. It's not quite as powerful as the flagship chipset from MediaTek and Qualcomm, but it can support large language models at up to 10 billion operations per second. That's roughly a 3.3x boost to AI performance compared to its predecessor and should allow 8300 equipped phone to run Gen AI tasks like the photo expansion and text generation without a need for an internet connection. That vastly improves when and where you can use it, provide a significant privacy boost by negating the need to upload data to the cloud of processing. The question is whether we'll see manufacturer build Gen AI tools directly into the OS or whether it will be third-party developers that take advantage of the new hardware on offer. It's simply too early to say at this stage. The upgraded chipset doesn't just focus on performance and AI capabilities. There are also improvements to camera performance with the introduction of the new 14-bit HDR ISP, which essentially allows smartphone to record better quality 4K at 60 frames per second HDR video. In fact, the flagship level SoC now allows for simultaneous 4K HDR video capture from two lenses. Not only that, but it should be more efficient, up to 10% more efficient, apparently, and it boasts improved video noise reduction and an AI-powered color content smart ISP that should help deliver accurate color. As with the battery life, the camera quality of specific Dimensity 8300 phones will still differ depending on the lenses that manufacturers use. As with battery life, the camera quality of specific Dimensity 8300 phones will still differ depending on the lenses that manufacturers use. Still, it's good to see that MediaTek is providing the necessary tools. So here is the information we know so much about the new SoC MediaTek 8300. Thank you for watching video. Remember to subscribe, like and comment, and if you have any question, please write down in the comment section below. I'm Fatul Nasari. See you in another video.